Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again on the Forex market. Today we mostly will take a look at the Great British Pound. But first, let's take a look at this, absolutely amazing picture on the euro currency. So you can see market has climbed deeply inside of the weekly overbought area. So that stance is, outside of the normal price action, outside of the things that suggest by the probability. That's why, of course, it just can't be foreseen. It's indeed could happen, but sometimes it happens. And currently, not much to do, guys, actually, because yesterday we haven't got any bearish patterns. As we discussed around the OP, we said keep an eye on the possible bearish patterns, but they hasn't been formed, and market just continue upward action. At the same time, currently, it's not good moment for taking the long position by a few reasons. First of all, because we are deeply overbought on a weekly chart. If you somehow keep some part of your position, of course you could keep them. Just do not forget to control the risk and manage your stops. Particularly speaking, the next target is XOP. It stands at 1550 and above this top. If somehow we will see the breakout, it means that we're out of the long-term consolidation that stands almost a half a year on the year, and taking the shape of the diamond pattern that we talked about this in our vehicle reports. And finally, if we will get the breakout out of this area, it will mean that euro is coming higher. So that's the easy conclusion that we could make. But this is a bit too early to speak about it because it's still a lot of important moments before this will happen. For us, mostly hasn't changed anything. So we are watching for this thrust. We are watching for a possible brand body trade based on this thrust and reaction on the weekly overbought. So sooner or later, but probably soon, the reaction could happen. I will not be surprised if reaction will happen even today, because today we have the non-farm payroll release, and who knows what will happen. So it's actually, this pullback could happen even today. Since we're overextended, it's not much to do for the bulls, because currently it's not good area for taking the long position. The same story for the bears. Yesterday we talked about this possible reaction on the XOP, maybe some hand and shoulders or something of that sort. But take a look, nothing has been formed. So market just even hasn't stopped around this area and just continue upward action. So no ability for taking the short position as well. That's why today we mostly take a look at the cable, because it comes to important point, as we said. So recall what we talked about it. Here our nearest target stands at the COP 2830, OP 133 approximately. But at the same time, market currently start flirting with weekly confluence resistance. It has been tested here again, pull back. Now market is testing it again. Chances that market will show some reaction are not really small, especially, as I said today, the non-farm payroll release. So we could get some volatility, and maybe this report will trigger retracement by itself. So that's why let's keep watching what will happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, this level is also important, because that's potential neckline of the reverse head and shoulders. Somebody calls it the reverse head and shoulders. Somebody calls it as the cup and the handle, ignoring the left arm. So that's the cup. Right arm will be the handle. If it will be formed, theoretically, the market should continue action higher. Currently, this ABC bottom pattern, if it will be potentially will be formed, it has the same target as the COP on the daily. So here some deep retracement should happen, at least based on the pattern. What the retracement will be, we will see. But this pattern suggests that market probably could hit the 123 area, 122.50. On another chart, I will show you the trend fib levels that we're keeping an eye on. So we talked about it, but take a look. The XOP that we specified a couple of days ago, currently this market is coming to it. Just a few pips to hit it, and it means that that's actually this is the logical end of this upper direction. As market taking this A, B, C bottom, XOP creates agreement with the confidence resistance. Market hits it. Also, this is natural resistance line, so some kind of neckline of this pattern. It means that theoretically, by the perfect price shape, we need to get the reversal, some kind of the downward action. Some patterns could be formed. For example, here I marked this trend lines could be, as usual, we are watching for possible head and shoulders here. It also could be formed. So currently keep an eye on this level. It means that currently, if you keep short, keep long positions, protect the longs by some tightening stops, and currently it's not a good point for taking the new long position. So best to wait for a pullback. Bears, well, if we become more lucky compared to what we saw on the euro currency, if Great British Pound will be more thankful to this significant resistance, maybe some pattern will be formed and bears could get the context, the background for a possible scalp short trade. It probably will be kind of the ABCD retracement here first, something of that sort. But currently, well, we do not have anything. It would be better to wait for real pattern will be formed, because market currently is a bit exciting, and you can see the upward action is rather strong, as on the euro, as on the cable, and it is dangerous to take position against the trend only because market stands at some resistance. In current situation, it is necessary to get clear pattern. So that's two things that we'll keep an eye on in today's session.